Should I go for current version of PMP exam or wait till July 2020? I believe you have the same question, but I would say it is not the right question. To my opinion, the right questions would be, when I am ready to grab next challenging opportunity, or when I will be ready to move to international opportunity, or how can I ask for a promotion. If you have these questions, then my question is, why are you even waiting for July 2020? If PMP certification is the hurdle for above questions, then just do it. Don't wait. Important point is, if we are waiting for new pattern, generally whenever new patterns comes into play, we wait 3 or more months so that we have some success stories, those who pass PMP exam. So in this scenario, if we are waiting for July 2020, it means we are targeting our PMP exam around September and October. So if your priority or your promotion or your next challenging opportunity is PMP exam, I would say please don't wait for it. Doesn't matter that what is the new pattern. What matter is when you are ready for your next big thing. So if you have decided after this question that you are going for the PMP exam, then I must say, do give me a chance, because I'm the only one who's providing the PMP exam preparation with success guarantee. And I have lots of case studies where people attended a PMP exam and passed their PMP based on our own research and efforts. So see you in my next course. Thank you.